I do my all household chores.
So instead of saying
Yeah,
I do my all household chores, you should say I do all my household chores. My all name,
I do
I do all my
all
household.
my household chores. Okay, okay, yeah, got it.
And what about your daughter?
She is also live at the same time.
Okay, she also leaves at the same
Yeah,
time.
she also lives at the same time. Yeah. Hello.
Your name is Sushma.
Yes, yes. My name is Sushma.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And how about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing well. Thanks for asking. And where are you speaking from?
Yeah, I'm speaking from like Delhi. I am connecting to you from Delhi.
You're from Delhi.
Delhi. Yes, yes. I'm from Delhi.
Okay. So Sushma, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, sure, ma'am. So, as you know, that my name is Sushma, and I'm from Delhi. I'm full-time manager of my home, and I'm blessed with two children. Talking about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation from Delhi University in arts, and as far as my hobbies are concerned, so I can change my hobbies time to time. It depends on my interest. So nowadays, I have only one hobby to watch the conversational videos and to get some kind of knowledge from those videos. And most of the time, we can acquire some kind of advanced or concrete word from those videos. So that's why I'm most of the time following those. So that's all about myself in a nutshell. Thank you for asking.
Lovely to know that you are so passionate about learning English.
you know yeah, it ignited like for so long, but I, because of environment or because of ambience, I didn't get chance to improve my communication skills. But now I have got everything, so now in this era I am improving myself, and I am working on my communication skills. But earlier when I got married, that time I also joined in one institute, but that was not appropriate for me, because the tutor always tried to say, okay, you have to have profound knowledge about the grammar first, and then you will switch to speaking part. So then I have then because of some responsibility, I didn't complete that coaching over there. Then after I saddled with lots of responsibility about my family. So then after now 2.5 years ago, I got to know about this kind of applications or some kind of videos regarding this language. So then that time I thought, okay, it is the high time to improve my skill. So then I I tried to work on that. It's been 2.5 years, we can say. Yeah.
2.5 years.
Yeah.
Are you speaking from a mall or some store or it's your house?
It's my home. Yeah.
It doesn't look like your house. So what is it
Okay.
behind you?
But
I mean, what is that pattern, in black and white?
yeah, that is the POP. We can say last of what we can say this POP.
On
That is
Taj
POP.
Paris.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
on your left, this window on your left.
That is a cabinet of corner. Yeah, you can see.
Okay, now it looks like your
Yeah.
house. Now, if you keep it at this position, looks like you're sitting in a mall or you are outside in a
Oh.
restaurant or something. You know, doesn't look like your house.
Okay.
So, what
Okay.
are your children
Yeah.
doing right now?
So now they have grown up, ma'am. They are doing their job.
Both of them are doing jobs. They are working.
Yeah, my son.
Okay, so have they moved out or they live with you?
And they live with me. Yeah, they live with me. Like my son works in Noida, so that sometime he has to go. Otherwise, he does most of the time work from home.
So he mostly works from home. Sometimes he has to go. And your daughter?
Yeah, she's completed her graduation in fashion
She's
management.
completed her graduation. You are free now because both are grown up.
Yes, yeah, both are grown up, and there is no need to, worry about that. And because if we have if we have the small children, so that time they can bother us. But there is no anyone to bother me here. Now it is like a free time to have. good command over this language.
You still have to give
Yeah.
tiffins to them, no? Your son carries his lunch to office.
No, he provided. He
Okay,
provided by the office. Otherwise, there is a canteen.
okay.
Yeah,
Otherwise, he eats outside. And what about your daughter?
he eats outside.
He carries the tiffin to college.
Yes, sometimes, because you know that every time they don't they don't prefer to take the lunch from home. Sometimes they want to take to have outside food.
And what about your husband?
Yeah.
What does he do?
Yeah, he has a government job. He is the superintendent in Ministry in Finance.
Tell me your daily routine.
Daily routine, yeah, as is like being a homemaker, I have to get up. Sometime I have to get up early in the morning, but it depends on like the schedule. Whenever my son goes to his office, because he has to go his office around 9 or 9:30 or sometimes at 10. So, and but my husband goes around 9:30. So before that, I have to make all the things like lunch.
So
So, like,
you don't need to wake up very early because both of them leave at around 9:30.
yes, around 7 o'clock, around 7 o'clock or 7:30, I get up most of the time. Or if we talk about the weekends, so in weekends, little bit late because it is the weekend, so little bit late I get up most of the time. Yes, I am not an early bird, ma'am. It is my, weak area, we can say. If we Because it is not a good habit if you are not early bird. So yeah, but sometimes.
Early riser. And what about your husband? Is he an early riser?
Yes, he is an early riser because he gets up most of the time, 5:30 or 6.
Okay, he
So,
gets up
but
at
I don't, yeah.
5:30 and you wake up at around 7:30. So does he keep trying to wake you up?
Not on weekend, but whenever, because I am night owl, you can say I'm night owl. So that's why most of the time I don't get up with my own. So he most of the time gets me up. So that time, I go with the cooking or the lunch and breakfast, all the things, and then after I packed for them, and then after I take most of the time take my I have my bath after that, right? Not in the morning time. After that I have my bath, and I do all the after taking bath I go with the meditation for some time, and then after I I do my all household chores because I don't have any help, so I manage all the things with my own, all the things like doing the dishes, mopping, or like dusting, everything.
Are you okay if I correct your mistakes?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Please. Yeah,
You don't sleep early. You are a night owl. That is why you're not able to wake up on your own. That is why your husband wakes you up. And then you do your
yeah,
household chores. After that, you do some
mm,
meditation. Then you do all your household
yeah,
chores. So instead of saying
yeah.
I do my all household chores, you should say I do all my household chores. My all name,
I do
I do all my
all
household.
my household chores. Okay, okay, yeah, got it. Yeah,
So your son
thank
and
you.
husband leave at around 9:30. And what about your daughter?
She is also live at the same time.
Okay, she also leaves at the same
Yeah,
time.
she also lives at the same time. Yeah,
He also leaves at the same time, and then you are all alone in the house. You are all alone in the
exactly.
house. Okay.
Yeah, that time, I do whatever I want to do.
Okay.
So yeah,
Do you enjoy
because
that
sometimes,
time?
and yes, I'm enjoying because nowadays I am using that Skype application. So on Skype application, sometime if I have a conversation with anyone, so then I leave my, household chores and then I talk with them first. Or it can be audio or video, anything. But I go with the audio call most of the time because while doing my work in that way, I kill two birds with one stone, like doing my work and then I practice with the people.
Okay.
Right. So in that way I do, yeah.
So when they all go, you have sessions on Skype, and that you leave all the
Mm.
household chores aside and you start having the session.
Aside.
Prefer
Yeah.
the audio calls because You can do your work side by side. While having the conversation, you can
Exactly.
finish your household chores as well. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes.
While doing,
So you have
yeah.
lunch
In
alone.
that has yes, yes, ma'am. Yeah. Most of the like sometime my son is at home, so with them with him I take the lunch.
So your daughter is mostly in
Yeah.
college at lunchtime.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So you are alone at home when you have lunch. So do you like it when you are alone at home and you have your lunch peacefully, or you want other people to be there when you have lunch?
No, no. I enjoy both. Like when the people are around me, that time also I am comfortable to have that lunch and with the people also and alone also. Like
When I have lunch alone, I can have it peacefully. Otherwise, give me this, pass me
yeah,
this.
right,
Illa
right.
do, vola do.
Exactly.
I
Yeah.
feel so, I feel so much at peace when I'm
Mm.
alone at home and I have my food. But yes, I love to have meals with everyone at dinner time. Like in dinner, I want everyone to be there.
Dinner time.
But while
Mm.
having lunch, if no one is there, then I am happier.
At least one time we can have our lunch peacefully.
Otherwise, we can never eat peacefully, right?
Yeah, exactly. Because sometimes we have to give the water and other thing that onion, please give me one onion after cutting that, after chopping that, please give us that onion and
You
so the
pass
time.
some pepper. Could you give me some pickle? Can you get me some water?
Yeah, right, right.
And all those things.
Exactly.
Okay. And what do you do after lunch?
After lunch, if I get time, so then I take a siesta. And then yeah, after in the evening time, I sometime I go to the like I go to for evening walk, but not every time, but sometime if I feel like okay, I should go outside for some time. So in that way, then after coming home after 1 hour or half an hour, so I start my preparing dinner.
So you sometimes go for an evening walk if you feel like, but not always.
Hmm.
And do you have
Not always, yeah. What? Sorry, sorry, ma'am.
evening tea?
Evening tea, yes, sometimes. If I am alone at my home, so I don't prefer to have that tea. Right? If someone asks, okay, someone is at, like my son is at home and he wants, so that time I prepare tea for me. Otherwise, if I am alone, so I don't prefer to have that tea for me only.
So when you are alone, you don't have tea. If somebody asks you
Yeah.
tea, then you also have tea with them.
Hmm. Yes. Not for only myself, for me only.
Okay.
yeah.
Don't make tea when you are alone. Okay.
Right.
And then you start
Exactly.
preparing dinner. Does
Yeah.
anyone help you with household chores?
No, no one is here to help me because whenever my daughter is at home, so she doesn't help me. Yeah. But sometimes she helps me,
She's
but not
already
every
tired
time.
after college, no?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So that's why I don't force. I also don't force her.
But you ask her to help, no?
Yeah, but sometimes we can't force that. Okay, you have to do that. No, but yeah, we can say okay. Sometimes you can chop the veggies, you can chop the onion for that, and this. Yeah, we can say that. We can
And,
ask
do
for
you
that.
ever ask your son to help?
Yeah, he helps me sometime, and he also makes some dish for me also
Oh,
because
wow.
he knows very well while like after watching any kind of video regarding that any kind of dishes like he most of the time make cooks like Italian or any other things this type of dish he cooks most of the time don't he doesn't cook like any
Oh, he doesn't cook Indian food.
yeah Indian
He
food
likes
desi type of Indian
different,
food
he likes to
and he
try
goes
different
sometime he
cuisines.
also yeah, like fried rice, fried rice sometimes he cooks that.
So you
Yeah.
enjoy lovely food, eh, when your son makes it.
Yeah, yeah, it's
So,
lovely
yeah.
because
So
it is not rich of fat. It is rich of fat. Fats means
okay,
like most of the oil and most of the butter, like lots of butter he
the
adds.
food that he cooks is quite oily.
Quite oily, yeah, with the
Yes.
like with the butter, with like the pure ghee.
He puts a lot of butter,
I see.
pure ghee, and olive oil.
Mm, yeah,
This young generation, they
olive
like
oil is
yes,
mm,
young generation
yeah,
likes to cook with olive oil, butter, and
olive oil,
pure ghee.
yeah, olive
Actually,
oil,
these are good options, not bad.
right. So.
So when he cooks something, does he cook for the entire family or for himself?
No, no, no. Like if for like we can't say that for because my husband doesn't like that kind of food, right? So like we all three, like my son, my daughter, and I, we most of the time enjoy that food, but not my husband. I have to prepare for him like delicious, for health conscious food because he is very much health conscious person, so he doesn't want to eat that kind of things.
So you taught him cooking, or he knows cooking? I mean, he has learned cooking himself. Your son.
No, he knows himself. He knows himself. Oh,
Okay.
he learned, we can say he learned himself while, watching these kind of YouTube channels video.
So
So he
he
knows, yeah.
knows better cooking than your daughter, right?
Exactly, yeah, exactly. He can manage, whenever I am not at home, so he can manage, right? Like he can cook anything, whatever he wants, but not my daughter.
But
She most of the
let's say
time,
you
uh,
and your husband are outside, you are not at home. So does he cook
mm,
food for him and himself and his sister both?
yes, yeah, both. They can manage, yeah.
So he's the elder
Uh,
one.
he is the elder one, yeah.
Okay. He's the elder one, and he should cook for his sister
Mm,
if you are away.
yeah, right.
She will also learn with time.
Yeah, she will also learn because I that's why I don't force her because in future he has to cook something. Yeah, now she can manage because she also took the she has completed her BSc in from in the Jaipur, not Jaipur, Gujarat. So she managed over there that time. So she said, okay, whatever like the situation will come. So I will manage over there. So she says like that.
She lives in a hostel.
Not in hostel, in PG, not PG, like in apartment with her friends.
Okay. She comes rarely. Then how will she cook?
Yes.
When she comes home, she would be feeling like, I want to eat food cooked by my mom.
Not like that because she says, okay, mom, because she is habitual to have the outside food sometime. That most of the time I cook only the normal way food. Like I can add only the normal, spices over there. But they want good and very, rich of oil and rich of how can we say it very tasty. But they said, okay, I am not cooking that much of tasty food. So yeah, sometime it happens.
Children living in
But
hostel or
they like
PGs,
some food,
they
like
miss home cooked food.
exactly. But they are not from the PG, na. Say they have their own apartment for three to four girls over there.
So
So
do
they
they cook food themselves or they have hired a maid?
yeah. Sometime they no they because one they divided their work only just for sweeping or mopping this kind of thing they hire the maid. Otherwise, if you talk about the food, so they prepare themselves and sometimes they order from outside.
Okay, okay. They cook food themselves just for cleaning
Yeah,
and washing the dishes. They have kept a
washing
maid.
the dishes.
Okay, that means she cooks in that apartment also. Then you shouldn't ask her to cook
Yeah.
because she doesn't come home so often.
She
She cooks
says, no,
there
that's why
also.
she says, Mom, I know everything. That she says to me,
She cooks
Mom, I
there
know
also,
everything.
no?
There is no need to
Then,
tease.
so you
Yeah.
should give her complete rest. I mean, you should let her enjoy whenever she visits. Okay, you have any questions for me?
Yeah, ma'am, I have question for you because nowadays I want to improve myself. So in what way I have to improve? Because after talking to me, so then you realize in which part I am lacking and which part I have to work. So let me know the thing. I am asking from like to the feedback. I think in a normal way we can say.
Speak well, you are making some grammar mistakes as well as you need good vocabulary. For that, you just need to
Mhm.
consume English content and speak regularly. If you just do these two things
Yeah.
regularly, you will get there. I mean, your vocabulary will be better and you will improve your spoken English as well. And if you have spare time, then you can do some reading as well. So if you start reading,
Mm.
that will also help.
Yeah, this is
English
my,
content.
gray area we can say because I
But
am not getting that habit.
But if you start reading storybooks or anything that you like, I mean, some people like to read spiritual books. So whatever your interest area
Mm.
is,
Yeah, okay. Because it is beneficial because most of the tutor also said to me, okay, you have to build that habit of reading.
yes.
Otherwise, you will not get good, vocab.
I used to read for 10 to 15 minutes every single day. I had made that a habit.
Okay.
So I do that even
Hmm.
now. I am habitual. Just 15 minutes
Yeah,
of
first of
reading
all,
can be
yeah. Hmm. First of all, we have to deliberately do the things if we want to have a habit of,
then we become so
so want
habitual,
to build
then
a habit.
it is difficult for us to leave it.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, it was so
Right.
lovely connecting with you.
Fine.
I really enjoyed talking to you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I also enjoyed a lot after talking to you because I was when I mailed you, so that time I was thinking, okay, after few days you will reply because you are totally occupied with the people, and you already because nowadays most of the people are trying to mail you like to have a conversation with you. So that's why I was thinking like that. But you recently, replied me. It's very great. And, I really
Yes,
appreciate
sometimes it takes
your,
so many days, months, and so many.
yeah.
But I just saw the email, and there was a session at 5:45 which got cancelled. That is why I immediately
Okay.
mailed you. That is why we got connected.
It's
Thank you.
my fortune, you can say. By the serendipity, by the serendipity, I got the
Ah,
chance
pure
to
serendipity.
have a conversation with you.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Good
Thank you
night.
so much.
Bye bye. Take care.
Okay, bye bye. Bye
Okay,
bye,
bye bye.
ma'am. Thank you.